students, welcome back to Bio Whisper by Manas, my bio podcast channel. In continuation with the lecture series on microbes in human welfare, which is an important chapter of class 12 biology, today we will discuss about sewage treatment. So what actually is sewage? Sewage is the dirty or wastewater that comes from homes, hospitals and industries. If left untreated and discharged into the river, they will pollute the water. So it is highly essential that they should be treated properly before discharging into the river. This is done through two stages. That involves two kinds of treatment. The first one is the primary treatment and the second one is the secondary treatment. Primary treatment is also known as the physical treatment and secondary treatment is known as the biological treatment. So let's study them one by one. Primary treatment or physical treatment. It is the first mechanical step to remove large solids, floating debris, sand and silt. This is done through two steps, FS, filtration and sedimentation. The sewage is allowed to pass through screens so that large objects like cloth pieces, wood pieces or plastic get removed. The second step is sedimentation. Now the sewage is allowed to settle down in settling tanks. The heavier particles get settled as primary sludge, while the lighter ones remain as primary effluents. Through primary treatment, it is possible to remove the suspended solids but not the microbes. For that, we have the secondary or biological treatment. So in secondary and biological treatment, what happens? We remove microbes, dissolved organic matter and also reduce BOD, biochemical demand of oxygen. High BOD, highly polluted water, less BOD, clean water or less polluted water. This involves 5 important things. Aeration tanks. Second one is formation of flocks, formation of activated sludge, recycling of activated sludge and then ASD, anaerobic sludge digester. Let us study them one by one. Aeration tanks. The primary effluent is sent into the aeration tanks and air is pumped continuously. The second one is formation of flocks. Now the aerobic bacteria along with fungi, they form flocks. These flocks consume the organic matter, thereby reducing BOD significantly. Now formation of activated sludge. When the microbes grow in large number, they settle down at the bottom as activated sludge. Now the fourth point, recycling of activated sludge. Now the activated sludge is divided into two parts. The major portion is sent to ASD, anaerobic sludge digester, while the small portion is sent back to aeration tanks to act as inoculum or starter microbe. Now anaerobic sludge digester. Here we find anaerobic bacteria which digest the organic matter and thereby produce methane, CO2 and hydrogen sulfide. So now we have the biogas which is used as fuel. So that's it for today. We will continue with this lecture series on this particular chapter in the successive days. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, do it now and do like my videos. Thank you.